Ready to say good morning?
Good morning.
Well done. You all said good morning to Ted. He really likes that. So today is Friday. Can we all say Friday?
Friday.
Well done. What was Ted's first listening rule? To be a good listener, we need to look. Oliver, that's right. Can we all say look? Look. Listen. Good girl. Oh, Ted's really pleased. Don't forget, he will be choosing his best listener at the end. So remember all of his listening rules. I've got this one. It's a tambourine. Can we say that? Tambourine. And this one is a maraca. Listen to the tambourine. Listen to the maraca. Do they sound the same? No. I want you to listen really carefully and tell me which of those instruments I'm playing. Rosie May, what's that one?
Bell.
It is the bells. Good listening, everyone. The next thing we're going to think about some different words. Now, I wonder if you know what this bit on the end of our arm might be called. Look, it makes my hand bend. I think Oliver's said that word. Say it again, Oliver. A wrist. Everybody, hold your fingers round this bit of your arm and feel your hand move. That's your wrist. Can we all say it? Wrist. I'm going to get my instrument out again. What am I doing with the tambourine? I'm shaking it. That's our doing word today. I'm shaking the tambourine. Watch me shake the tambourine. Can you say shake? Shake.
Shake.
Callum, shake. I wonder if you can shake your wrists. Shake them like this. We're shaking our hands, I suppose, aren't we? We're using our wrists to shake our hands. Some of you might recognise this character. It is. It's a gingerbread man. This is the story of the gingerbread man, Callum. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Which one of these happened first in the story? This one, Oliver. Why did this one happen first?
Because they went to meet the gingerbread.
The old lady made the gingerbread man, didn't she? Yes. So who does he meet in this picture, Rosie May? Oh, hang on. Let's ask Rosie May.
Wants a gingerbread man.
It's the fox, isn't it? Yeah, the fox wants to eat the gingerbread man and say, you can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. So that one was first. This one was next. Which one comes next? Who can remember what we did today? What did we do first? Let's see if we can all help. After that, I got something out of that pink bucket. What did we do with the things in the pink bucket? Can you remember? Clara?
Taking some sound.
We listened to some sounds, didn't we? Yes, you had to tell me if I was playing the tambourine or the maraca or the bells. Well done, that was our listening game today. And his best listener today is Maruna. Maruna, come and get your sticker.